This lesson, I want to do some updates to some of the typography, and we're going to make some updates using Bootstrap. So over here within our nav bar, we've got all lowercase, about, products, and contact. So typically what you might see within the navigation bar, you might see it all capitalized or all uppercase. So in order to make this transformation, this is really easy within Bootstrap. So we've got a number of places where we can place that, and if we want to trace it across that whole navigation bar, we can just do text dash class, and let's just do the capitalize. So again, we do have a few options, and now when I go back out here, refresh it, we see that now they're all capitalized. We could just as easily do uppercase. So if you find that, well, you don't want capitalized, you want text uppercase, we can really easily make that update and update that within our website. So one of the other things that I also want to mention here, so I have been working with Text Center, and I just realized that with Bootstrap 3 we can use Text Center, but with Bootstrap 4, again, just like all the other classes where now we need to specify when we're floating it over to the right on what size screens we want to float it over to the right, we need to specify instead of Text Center, we need to update it, and we need to specify what the breakpoint is and where we want to center that text. So I'm going to do a quick update and update all of my text centers to be XS text center, so that way my text is actually going to be centered within Bootstrap 4. And so that's one of the major updates with Bootstrap 4. It's given us this ability to center text. So now when I go out and refresh it, let's go take a look and pay attention to the text and see what happens with the text. So when I refresh it, all of our text is now nice and neatly centered. So remember, with Bootstrap 4, one of the major changes is we've gotten more control on how our content and our typography behaves within different screen sizes, and with more control, that means that we need to be more specific with the classes that we're using in order to accomplish those goals. So make those updates, and that's for Bootstrap 4 and transforming it from Bootstrap 3 code.